Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today's video is going to be pretty short, pretty sweet, because Amazon Prime Day shipments started to arrive, and I got a new PC. So my friends, let's see what this PC looks like. Alrighty friends, so that reflection is of my wall there, but the main thing is when you first get this PC, make sure you take off all 4 of those screws, because in order to pack it safely, they have put this inside there, and if you accidentally started with it in there, that would not sound very good. So once you've got that out, then you're ready to hook it all up, which is easy peasy. Still battling that reflection, but since it's a gaming PC, of course it comes with cool lights and a remote. You'll notice it is running. It is unbelievably quiet, which is awesome. Before you can use the remote, make sure you pull out the little battery protector so that it's not wasting battery. You can change all your colors. There's all kinds of things you can do to make it look the way you want and have fun if that's your gig. I'm not much of a light guy, so I'm going to just use off and shut it down. I was excited because it is Oculus ready, because I am thinking of using the Oculus Rift. On the top you can see you've got a couple USB 3 ports, and you've got your power and reboot, and you've also got the headphones and microphones. In the rear you'll notice the standard array of ports. Do not use the video up top because you do have a sweet video card. It comes with a 1660. You can see that there's your audio out, and there's your video and your Wi-Fi. Alrighty friends, this is the PC I bought on Amazon. Once again, I got it during Prime Day, so it was only $650 instead of the $794 you see today. Crazy good deal to get it for $150 off, and it arrived a day after I ordered it, which is amazing. It is the CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme. It is VR ready. It has an Intel i5-9400F 2.9 GHz processor, has 8 gig of DDR4, which I'll probably bump up to 16 or 32 gig. It has a GeForce 1660 6GB video card. It also has a 120 gig SSD and a 1 TB hard drive, and built-in Wi-Fi and Windows 10 Home. One of my favorite things about it all, though, is when you first turn it on, there is no garbageware. The only thing that you have is Microsoft Windows and the things that come with it. No antivirus or any of that stuff that you have to remove. No things that I used to call adware back when I last bought a PC. So I'm really excited to just be able to build it like I want. As you can see, I added Camtasia, which I'm recording with right now, and I've also put in my little accounts that I use in Google Chrome. And in less than an hour, I have got a PC that is doing the things that I want. So I will keep you posted as I do cool things. Right now I'm going to edit this video with it, see just how quick it renders and if it speeds up the things from what I was doing back with my other PC. As I start the game, I'll share some experiences with that as well. I will put a link to this in the description if you're interested in tracking it down. And of course, my friends, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.